Hello everyone, so today we're going to look into algebra and we're going to look at two important topics, which is one is expansion and another is factorizing. Okay, so we're going to start with expansion first. So here we got the question, which is expand y plus 2 times y plus 1. Okay, so what we need to do, we look at this y plus 2 and then we look at this y plus 1 and we will multiply this whole y plus 2 into y plus 1. So which is been done in the next step. So you can see y plus 2 times y plus 1. Okay, so what has happening here is this, now this in y plus 2, what is happening, this y of y plus 2 is first multiplied by the y plus 1 and then you will bring the sign as it is, which is a positive sign in this case, and then plus 2 and then this whole 2 is going to be multiplied by y plus 1. So if we do this, we'll come to this step, which is give us y square plus 2y plus 2, and if we look at add the like terms, it will become y square plus 3y plus 2. So this is a simple expanding. Okay, so now we're going to look at the next, which is factorizing. So what is factorizing? Factorizing is actually opposite of expanding, but in this case we try to find out the common factors. So in this case our equation is y square plus 3y plus 2. So how we are going to solve this? So we need to compare this with the general quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c, and we're going to look at the values of a, b and c. So clearly here the value of a is 1 because there is nothing in front of y square, whereas value of b is 3 and value of c is 2. So to solve the general quadratic equation, what we need to do, we need to split b in such a way that the product is a times c. So for example here, what is the value of b? B is equal to 3, and what is the value of ac? AC is equal to 2 times 1. So you can clearly see if we add AC, this will give us 3. Okay, so this will become then y square. So I'm splitting now in this case 3y, which will become 2y plus 2. Okay, so now the next step is I'm going to look at the common factors. So I will take the y out, so it will become y into y plus 2, and then from here in the next step here, so in this whole y plus 2, 1 is common, so this will become plus 1 multiplied by y plus 2. So now taking y plus 2 as out again, so this will become y plus 2 into y plus 1. So if you will expand this y plus 2 into y plus 1, you will come back to the same equation, which is y square plus 3y plus 2. I hope it's clear. Thank you.